Hello my students in grade 6, miss you all. In this video we will complete solving the revision sheets, and this is the fourth video in solving the revision sheets. In this video we will start from question 79. So let's get started. In this question, use a chart below to answer the following questions. In this table, if we look here, we have different substances. We have aluminum, iron pyrite, mercury and silver. All of them are solids except mercury. The mercury is a liquid that we put inside the thermometers. It can be red or silver inside thermometers. Here also we have the density for each kind of substances. Like for example, aluminum density is 2.7 gram per cubic centimeter. The iron density 5.02 gram per cubic centimeter, and mercury 13.55 and silver 10.5. Here we have the densities for all of them. Here also we have different types of substances. Again, we have ice, we have water, liquid. So here we have the solid state is 0.93 and the water is 1. So the ice has less density than water. Zinc is 7.13 and wood 0.85. So let's solve the question here. Question 79. A cube has density of 2.7 gram per cubic centimeter. The density of this cube is 2.7. What substance is the cube made of? So he gave me here the density, so I have to check in the table and find out this value for which one of them. This is the density for aluminum, so this will be letter A, aluminum. Next question. What substance has a density more than 13 times greater than water? The water here has density 1. So which one has 13 times more than water? So it will be, what do you think? The one here that has 13 times the amount of water is mercury. So the answer for this question will be mercury, letter D, because it has 13 and the water is 1. So 13 is 13 times 1. Okay, next question 81. Why will ice float on the top of liquid water? Why when we put block of ice or a cube of ice on the water, it floats? Because ice has a lower density than water, ice has a higher density than water, ice is a solid, or ice is colder than water. In this question we said here, if you remember in the table, that ice has density 0.93 while the liquid water has 1. So for sure the ice has less density than water, so it floats in the water liquid. So we will choose which one. First one, ice has a lower density than water, letter A. And now we will move to the next page. Question 82. What is the density of oak wood? The wood here from the table, let's see, the wood here is 0.85 gram per cubic centimeter, so we will choose letter C. Question 83. What is the densest solid shown in the table? Which one here has the highest density in that table? Let's see which one has the highest number here. Will be which one? Yes, mercury, 13. This is the highest value. 13 bigger than 2 and 5 and 10 and 1 and 7. So the highest one here is mercury. So we will choose letter A, mercury. Here also we have a table with different substances. We have helium, oxygen, water, iron, zinc, silver, lead and mercury. And also in front of each one we have the value of density for each one. And this is at room temperature 20. So in question 84, look at the table. Which substance is the least dense? Which one here has the least density? Yes, it will be helium. Helium has the lowest density here, so we will choose letter B, helium. Next question, 85. Look at the table. Which two substances are the densest? Which two substances here? Check well the numbers. Yes, they will be lead 11.35 and mercury 13.55. So these two, they have the highest density in this table. So we will choose mercury and lead, letter D. So now we will move to the next question, true or false question. The volume of a gas can be measured with a graduated cylinder. We can use gas by using a graduated cylinder. The answer for this question is false, because we use the graduated cylinder to measure the volume of liquids, not gas. So false. Next question, volumes of solids can be expressed in liters or milliliters. The solid, we don't use liters or milliliters to measure the volume of solids. We use volumes of solids. We express them by cubic centimeter or cubic meters. Question 88, the last question for today. Weight and mass are the same. Do you think weight and mass are the same thing? No. Weight and mass, they are not the same thing. The mass is the amount of matter in the object. Weight is the amount of gravitational force on the object. So they are not equal. And this was everything for today. See you soon and take care of yourselves.